Welcome back to my channel where I'm documenting my journey to strong, healthy nails while DIYing cute styles. Watch and see what I accomplish in this video. Here are my nails. So the last style I did was the French tip. I'm gonna start off with cleaning the leftover nail polish from that style. So if you saw my video from last week, you know that my husband is actually the featured guest of that video. He did my toenails. Why, you ask? Well, about a week went by and my French tip style that I did in the previous video was still going pretty strong. And I thought, why am I gonna clean this off when it's still looking good? It's like, it'd be a waste of, a well done manicure. So I just want to show you guys my nails. Like, this is, some weird stripping thing that I've noticed happens with my nails. Like, every time they start growing longer, they do this, and I really can't figure out why. But that's the point of this journey, to get to stronger nails. Back to what I was saying about the previous French tip style, though. I was actually confused about why the style was lasting so long, because usually when I do my nails, there's like chipping of the nail polish before even half the week's done. So what I did for the past 2 weeks that I think made a big difference was actually being extremely intentional about moisturizing my hands. And like, I'm sure you remember how ashy my hands were during the entirety of the French tip style nail video. And I had to show you guys that I actually do moisturize my hands, every now and then at the end of the video. But no, like, I'm always washing my hands, but then I'm too lazy to like walk to the closet for lotion and apply it to my hands. So I always end up with just dry hands. So to combat my laziness, I just made sure, like for the past 2 weeks, like I made sure I had my body butter and cuticle oil at my desk so that I can moisturize my hands and nails whenever I'd look down and see that, a little bit of ash between my thumb and index finger. The theory I came up with is that nail polish only lasts long, like that 2-week period that they say it's supposed to last, on moisturized nails, not dry nails. Am I late to realizing that? ... question mark? Anyway, I'm gonna be using a nail polish from 100% Pure called Elderberry. So I don't really know where I'm going with this style. All I know is that I really want to use this color. It really makes me think of berries, just as the name suggests. Like, it's such a smooth burgundy color, and I think it complements my skin tone quite nicely. So the only thing I would say is a con with this color is how it stains my skin. Like, the color is so rich that even when I wipe it off my skin, like with my little pencil technique, after inevitably making a mess, the berry color is still there on my skin. But of course, there are better ways to avoid this entirely, like using, those finger sleeve things, like that you peel off like tape to avoid messes, or like the glue and water combo technique, where you just peel the mess away. So I guess it's not much of a con at that point if you have the right tools to begin with. Back to the whole thing of intentionally moisturizing and oiling my hands and cuticles, I forgot to mention that I also started wearing gloves when I'm washing dishes or cleaning. Like, I even use those like disposable gloves when I wash my hair. So I have like extremely curly hair, so like my hands get really exposed to a lot of water for an extended period of time on my wash days. So I've really been just trying to find ways to keep my nails like as dry / away from water as possible, but as moisturized as possible as I just live daily. And my nails have grown so much from the last time I did them, doing just these things over the past 2 weeks. I really think I can do this. Get my nails to a strong, healthy state. I don't know about you, but for some reason, it's giving me Vampire Diary vibes. I mean, could it have something to do with the fact that I've been seeing a bunch of Vampire Diary references all over Instagram after following a fan page? And because of that, I started binge watching season 1 all over again? Who could guess? So I'm experimenting with this matte top coat. And I think this is it. Leaving it shiny would be cute too, I guess, but I just feel like it takes away from the whole vampire-y look. Keep in mind that I'm always, usually, sometimes, mostly 100% biased towards matte finishes, so it's really hard to say no to this one. I mean, look at the difference between the two finishes. I'm definitely applying the matte top coat to the rest of my nails. I'm gonna finish up with cleaning the dried nail polish that landed on my skin around my nails. So there we have it. That's everything I did to achieve this impromptu Vampire Diaries inspired look. Thanks again for watching. I will be back next Wednesday. Will it be my toes? Will it be my hands? I guess we'll see. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.